Hey Web3 explorers, welcome back to Ðɪᴠɪᴇ, your portal to the decentralized universe. I'm your guide, and today we're embarking on a mission to set up your very first blockchain wallet. Think of it as your spaceship for navigating the wild world of crypto, NFTs, and DeFi. No jargon, no fluff, just pure Web3 magic. Quick question, have you ever tried setting up a wallet before, or is this your first rodeo? Drop a comment below, I'm curious. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and buckle up. Let's dive into this adventure. So, what's a blockchain wallet and why should you care? Picture it as your digital piggy bank, but way cooler. It's a tool that lets you store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies, buy NFTs, or even stake tokens in DeFi. Without a wallet, you're just window shopping in the Web3 mall. Here's the fun part. A blockchain wallet doesn't actually store your crypto. Your coins live on the blockchain and your wallet holds the keys to access them. It's like having a magical keyring for your digital treasures. But lose those keys? Poof, your treasure's gone. Don't worry, we'll cover how to keep them safe. Quick tip. There are two types of wallets. Hot, which are online like apps, and cold, which are offline like hardware devices. Today we'll set up a hot wallet because it's beginner-friendly and free. Ready? Let's do this. First, we need to pick a wallet. There are tons out there. MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, you name it. For this mission, I recommend MetaMask. It's like the Swiss Army knife of wallets. Easy to use, works with most blockchains, and perfect for beginners. Plus, it's got a cute fox logo. Who doesn't love a fox? Joke alert. Why did the crypto wallet go to therapy? It had too many trust issues. Okay, bad joke, but you get the point. Trust matters. MetaMask is trusted by millions, so it's a solid choice. If you're on mobile, download the MetaMask app from the App Store or Google Play. On desktop, grab the browser extension for Chrome or Firefox. Pause the video, go get it, and meet me back here. I'll wait, but not forever. Interactive prompt. In the comments, tell me which wallet you're using or if you're sticking with MetaMask. Let's see who's joining the Fox Squad. Alright, you've got MetaMask installed. Let's set it up step by step. Follow along and you'll be a Web3 warrior in no time. Step 1. Create a new wallet. Open MetaMask and click Create a Wallet. It'll ask you to set a password. Make it strong, like iHeartWeb3_2025 strong. This password protects your app, but it's not your main key. We'll get to that next. Step 2. Secure your secret recovery phrase. Here's the most important part. MetaMask will give you a 12-word secret recovery phrase. This is your master key. If you lose it, you lose access to your wallet. If someone else gets it, they can steal your funds. Write it down on paper, not your phone, not your laptop. Paper, old school. Then hide it somewhere safe, like under your mattress or in a secret drawer. I'm serious. Treat it like your grandma's secret cookie recipe. Why did the crypto newbies save their seed phrase in a screenshot? Because they wanted to make a hacker's day. Don't be that person. Step 3. Confirm your phrase. MetaMask will ask you to verify the phrase by selecting the words in order. This ensures you've got it right. Once done, you're in. You'll see your wallet address, a long string of letters and numbers. That's your Web3 ID, like your email for the blockchain. Before we wrap up, let's talk safety. Web3 is awesome but full of scammers. Here are 3 golden rules. Never share your secret phrase. Not with friends, not with support teams on Discord. If someone asks, they're probably trying to swipe your crypto. Double-check links. Only download MetaMask from metamask.io or official app stores. Fake apps are everywhere. Start small. Don't dump your life savings into your wallet yet. Test it with a small amount of crypto first. Now what's next? Try sending a tiny amount of Ethereum or a test token to your wallet. You can get free testnet tokens from faucets. Google Ethereum testnet faucet to find one. It's like play money for practicing. Drop a comment with one thing you're excited to do with your new wallet. Buy an NFT, try DeFi, or just flex your Web3 skills. And there you have it, explorers. You've just set up your first blockchain wallet and joined the Web3 revolution. Give yourself a pat on the back. You're officially a crypto cosmonaut. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll reply faster than a blockchain transaction. Well, maybe not that fast. Next time, we're diving into how to buy your first NFT safely. Until then, keep exploring the decentralized galaxy. This is Ðɪᴠɪᴇ signing off. Follow at Ðɪᴠɪᴇ for more Web3 magic.